You searched how to buy shares of OSB Group PLC. OSB Group is a UK specialist mortgage lender listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker OSB.L. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OSB.L to find the company listing. Select the result that corresponds to OSB Group PLC on the LSE. On the asset page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Double-check the listing details to confirm it is OSB Group PLC before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order will be pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow this example.